Hello everyone. Let us understand what are mutable and immutable data types of Python. As we know, variables are the identifiers which will store values in it. Now, what are these mutable data types? Variables whose values can be changed after the creation and assignment are called as mutable data types. That means we can change the values of the variables after creation. There are three mutable data types: list, set, dictionary. First, let us see what are this list. Look at the creation of list. L1 equals 10, 20, 45.5 Python. List is a sequence of elements enclosed with square braces separated by comma, and they are indexed with an integer. That means each and every value in the list will have the index beginning with 0 to n minus 1. N is the number of elements in the list. Now we are trying to print L1. It is showing the content of the list. L1 of 0, that is the first content, 10 is printed. L2 of L1 of 2, 0, 1, 2, that is 45.5 is printed. Now we are trying to modify the content of the list. L1 of 3 equals SQL. That means Python will be changed to SQL, and we are trying to print L1. Now it has been changed. Next we see dictionary. Dictionaries are also mutable data types. Dictionaries, the content will be stored in key value pairs which are enclosed with flower braces separated with commas. Name, roll number, percent is the key, and the Punar 11, 98% are called as a values. Now dictionary, we are trying to print the dictionary. The values have been printed. Again, you can access the content of dictionary by writing the name of the dictionary with its key. Dictionary of name, so Punar has been retrieved. Next, we can also modify the content of dictionary. Dictionary of percent, we are trying to change the percentage from 98.7 to 97.6. So we are using an assignment operator and we are changing the content, and we are trying to print the values. Now percentage has been changed. Hence dictionaries are mutable. Even sets are mutable. The sets are the collection of elements which will remove the duplicate elements. Here they are mutable. Look at the set 1, 10, 20, 30, 25th. When you are trying to print, duplicates have been removed. Yes, you can also add and delete the elements to the set using the add. So add is a function used. So using that add, we will be adding an element. Set 1 of add 90. Now if you are trying to print set 1, it is adding the, that is 90 has been added, so it is showing an elements of size 5, and you can't change the content, so it is showing an error. Next we see what are immutable data types. Values, variables whose values cannot be changed once they are created and assigned are called as immutable data types. There are different immutable data types: integer, float, boolean, complex, strings, and tuples. Now let us see one by one. First one is string. They are immutable. First one, string. S1 equals 1. String is nothing but it is a sequence of characters enclosed with single or double quotes. S1 of 0, it is indexed. Okay. S1 of 0, it is showing P. S1 of 4, it is showing O. Now we are trying to change the content of string, which is giving an error, hence they are immutable. Even tuples are immutable. Tuples are the collection of elements enclosed with parentheses, but you can't change the content of the tuple. Once they are created, we cannot change the content. Tuple is created, we are trying to print tuple. A tuple of 2, it is showing element 45. When you are trying to change the value, tuple 1 of 2 equals 56. We are trying to change the value of tuple, which is showing an error because tuples are immutable. Next we have the other data types like integer, float, complex, bool, which are immutable. We can't change the content. A equals 10, A is been printed. So A's content can be changed. Again we need to recreate the same variable and we need to change the contents. Hence they are immutable. Even bool is immutable, complex is immutable. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.